right, hello everyone. All right, so this week we're gonna go over all the homeworks. All right, for simplifying fractions. Okay, that made no sense actually. All right, by the way, I got my Dodgers sweatshirt on, so ready to roll. Anyway, so this week's homework is strictly on simplifying fractions. I think, as you can probably understand, as I emphasize in class, just how important that is, right? In order to get full credit on any math problem, not just in my class. Okay. So, all right. So, having said that, the homework tonight, all right, it's for Monday, all right, homework number 13, all right. So now we're gonna do this. Now these are really good. So today and tomorrow's homework is going to look like this, okay? And they want you to simplify the fractions graphically, okay? Meaning by looking at this, they want you to write down the original fraction and then reduce it, okay? And the great thing is you don't have to find the greatest common factor in order to reduce it. You could do it by any sort of factors, and you could kind of just what you could factor it down, okay? So all right, let's try a couple, and then we'll end the video, okay? Now here we got 12 total pieces, right? By the way, again, you're gonna need to use that slash line, all right? So let's see. All right, 10 of the 12 slices are shaded in blue. So I'm going to put in 10 over 12, all right, against the slash button. I'm going to click try. Now, common factor. So for this one, the common factor is 2. GCF is 2, so we'll use that. Okay. All right, I was hoping for one that doesn't. Now, watch this, right? So now you see how these pieces, they got pulled apart and then they got recombined together, right? So now what's the actual simplified fraction? Yeah, 5 out of 6, right? And that's it. That's simplest form. Okay, so that's pretty good, especially for those of you who need a little bit more of a review. All right, and I'm going to submit my answer. Now, I'm hoping the next one will have a bigger, yeah, good, good, good. Hold on, let's see. 18 over 22. No, I'm going to pick one where you have to use the GCF, okay? So let's find another one. 22 over 33. There's only one factor that go into both of them. 32 over 36. Yeah, all right, okay. All right, so here now, for this one, it's 32 over 36. All right, now, for 32 over 36, we have two options here. Because both of these are even numbers, so I could divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2, right? But there's a greater factor, right? So if you put 2 in, they're not going to say you're wrong. Okay, they're not forcing you to use the GCF. All right, but for demonstration purposes here, I will use the GCF because the last one you did the 2. You know what? Hold on 1 second. All right, now let me ask you, what do you think the GCF actually is between 32 and 36? All right, yeah, it's 4, right? Because 4 can go into 32 and 36, and that would be the simplest form. Okay. Now, if you put 4 in, of course you'll be right, with the greatest common factor. They're not going to do that. But so let's not do it that way because I want to show you that it's okay to not use the GCF, okay? So I'm going to put in 2 as a common factor, okay? And show you what that looks like, right? Again, these got recombined, so to speak. All right. And now, so this is not simplified, right? 16 over 18 is not simplified. What's another common factor between 16 and 18? Yeah, 2 again, right? So we got to divide the numerator and the denominator, and then you get what? Yeah, 8/9, right? So 16 divided by 2 is 8. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And then there you go. There's your simplest form, right? Submit the answer. Don't forget to do that. And there you have it. Okay, so that's tonight's homework. Okay, I'm signing off here. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
OMG, that was so good.